Welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bengal Dave. Guys, today I'm going to make a warm soup using one of the most protein-rich sources of a vegetarian vegan world. It's a black gram dal or urad dal. It has about 100 grams of urad dal, has about 22 grams of protein, 21 grams of fiber and 60 grams of complex carbohydrates, in addition to being a rich source of minerals as well as B complex vitamins. So let me show you the recipe. So guys, this is like dry urad dal. You can see how small the dal is. Okay, now I have soaked this in water overnight, so you can see the difference in the size. It almost swells up, you know, just compare the size of the dals. Now the reason we should soak this in water is because when it swells up, the proteins become more digestible. Okay, so this is what we'll be using. Now we are also going to use almost 1.5 cups of baby tomatoes, a big large red onion chopped, some turmeric powder, some red chilli powder, cumin-coriander powder. These two are about 1 tablespoon. You can reduce the quantities as needed. This is going to be used for fat tempering. So I have taken about 1 tablespoon of ghee, a few red chillies, some mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, and of course salt to taste. This is a very easy recipe and I'll show you how. So guys, I have my instant pot ready here and I'm going to pour the dal in there. So this is just really dump as you go, turn the instant pot on and then do the tempering. That's it. It's really easy. So we have the dal here, tomatoes, onions and salt. Okay, and I'll add a little bit of water because there's already water in there from the dal that I had soaked in, and I'm going to basically put this on high pressure to cook. Put the vent on seal and then we're going to hit pressure cook and go at 8 minutes. So guys, our urad dal is cooked. Okay, we'll just mix it around. So this is exactly how it looks. Now at this point I'm going to turn the instant pot on saute and I'm going to add a few spices. So the cumin and coriander powder go in, turmeric goes in, salt and little bit of chili powder. We'll save the rest of the chili powder for the fat tempering. So we'll just mix everything together. This can be a very nice warm soup, guys, on a cold day, so just such as today. Now the next step is to do the fat tempering. Okay, so let's see how we do that. So for the fat tempering, we are going to take a tiny wok like that, and this is a tablespoon of ghee. We're going to add it in there. The fat tempering basically brings out a lot of flavor of the spices, and it's an ancient method used in India to add flavor to the food. So once the ghee melts, we will add other flavors. So once the ghee melts, we basically add the mustard seeds. We'll hold them in there until they crackle. Then we add the cumin seeds, the whole red chillies. These are curry leaves. These are green curry leaves. They also add flavor to the food. So if you have them, add them. If you don't have them, it's not a worry. And last but not least, we will add the rest of the chili powder. And we will mix this. The amazing aroma of the spices, wow, it's totally filling this area. Now once the mustard seeds start crackling, we'll add it to the urad dal soup. So the urad dal soup, like I said, is one of the richest in protein among all the legumes and pulses along with moong dal, but it has lots of fiber. and it's an amazing dish to have just by itself, or you can have it with quinoa and brown rice. So this is done here, so I'm going to turn this off and we are going to add this. See how that sizzles? Okay. Now you're going to mix this all together, and this makes for a very nice, warm, spicy soup. You can have this, it's a thick soup, so you can have it by itself, or like I said earlier, you can have it with quinoa. So let's serve it. So guys, our urad dal soup is ready, and I'm going to give it a taste now. Amazing. Simple and spicy. That's what you want on a cold night, right? So I'm going to have this just by itself, and I'll share more healthy recipes with you as the winter goes on. And up until then, I'll see you later. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.